Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, we will improve the search result when we type any query. Let's say previously we have this implementation. Let's say if I type book, then in search result all the text data which we received in that this book will be in bold. But the issue is that let's say in this notebooks, this book do not need to be in capital, and in this book as well. Let's say if I type read, then this bread, this or do not need to be capital here. So after improvement, when we type book, then we will observe that this notebooks contains B in capital. So whatever character we type in capital in our search query, but we will see the expected font or lowercase and uppercase in the existing data which we have as it is. So let's say if I type read, then this bread is is in lowercase as expected. So this is what we will accomplish in this video. So let's proceed. You can find the initial code of this video from the video description below. So we need to go to our UI, to-do, and to-do list view model. And in that we have this method fetch to-dos, which fetch the data from the network through the repository. So in that we are doing some modification with the search query data. Let's say if search query is not empty, then this part will be executed and the title will be replaced with the bold text. So we need to modify this. So first we will wrap this into curly braces. Okay, and in here we do some improvement through regular expressions. So regex, in that we provide the search query, and in regex options we select ignore case, and then we use replace method and pass the title in it, id.title, and use the transform lambda function, and which provide us the match result. And in that match result dot value, we get the matched value. This value is, let's say if I type book in search query, then this book, the match text which we get from this data will be available through this value. Let's say if I type book appointment, then this book appointment, which contains B capital and all the other text is in lowercase, will be fetched through this value. It's not whatever case user type in this text field, but we will get this text, and we only need to make this text bold by considering these uppercase and lowercase characters. So we are getting the value here, so we just need to wrap this in bold tags. So copy it cut it from here, paste it in here. So and remove this text. So this is what we need to do. So we will copy this one and apply this for description as well, and replace this with description, and also use curly braces here as well. So now we have made this change. So let's run the app and see the behavior. Okay, so our app is up and running, and now if I type book appointment, let's say I'm trying to write appointment, then we are getting the text bold and all the characters are in lowercase, which are as it is in the actual data. Let's say if I try another thing, bread, then we are seeing that this bread is showing in lowercase letter, and if I type D in capital of the read, then we will observe that the exact text which we currently have in the data, but it's in bold. which we want. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope this would be meaningful information for you. So if you have any query, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.